In this video, we are going to see about Dream Yuga chain kit from Honda Genuine Parts. Let's see what's inside this pack and unbox it and what components are all included. We get a rear wheel sprocket in black color, a gearbox sprocket, a chain and sprocket and bolts. The rear wheel sprocket has 41 teeth, the gearbox sprocket has 14 teeth, and the chain of 118 links. Gearbox sprocket is in gray color with good quality material. This sprocket kit suits for all models for Dream Yuga. Measuring the thickness of the sprockets for rear wheel sprocket, the thickness is 5.94 millimeters. For gearbox sprocket, the thickness is 5.88 millimeters. We have many chain kits for other bikes which we have listed in our website 2Wheelerspares.com. These are the close-up shots for the chain kit and how the sprockets look like. To order your product, you can visit 2Wheelerspares.com. If your product is unavailable, kindly contact us and we will guide you with a good quality product for your bike. If you like this video and want to know more about us, please subscribe us.